What's up, everybody? It's your boy Handy Dandy, and I wanted to make a video for you guys today because I uploaded a short, and on my short, I did a measurement of a door with the iPhone measuring app, and then I measured it with my tape measure, and there was a little bit of a discrepancy. Honestly, the discrepancy was only a 16th. However, which is really good. I got so many comments, and I would like to actually read some of those comments. One of the comments says, maybe if you lined it up properly, you would have had better results. You'll get an accurate measurement. Off-angle measurements will get wrong measurements. Control your test better. Another one says, your line wasn't straight. Another one says, you're on an angle, okay? And I mean, honestly, how do you hold this phone straight in order to do a measurement? I don't know if Apple designed it that way, but here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to attempt to get my phone nice and straight, and I'm gonna show you guys a video here on the screen of me actually doing this. So what I'm attempting to do here is I'm going to try to keep my phone on this countertop, and if I keep my phone on the countertop, my phone relatively stays straight, right? So we're gonna see if this iPhone measurement app really works. So I got the door there, I got the pin there, I'm keeping it on the countertop. I'm gonna go to that corner there, boom. Now, you can see here that it tells us that the door is 33.5. My pinpoints are on point, as you can see that. I kept my phone straight when I did the measurement, the line is straight. Now what we're gonna do, and now that we got that measurement with the phone, and we see what the phone told us it was, I have my old school tape measure, and what we're going to do is we're going to see if the tape measure and Apple's iPhone say the same thing. This is the point that I started from. Right in here, it tells me that this door is 35 and about 15/16, okay? So, as you can see there, I've proven it to you guys. Do not trust the Apple iPhone measurement app. It's not accurate. It does not work. It gives you a great idea on what it should be and what it possibly is, but it's not going to give you 100% accurate measurement, okay? So thanks for watching. If you haven't already done so, make sure you subscribe, make sure that you like this video, and just remember, every tool that I have, every tool that I've ever used in any of my videos, and even when it comes to the tape measure, in the description is a link for you to get your own tape measure. You can order it right from Amazon. I have an affiliate set up with Amazon, so please feel free to utilize that just to support the channel.